How to stamp an image. Step 1, go to Google Images, find a picture of a person, drag and drop it to your desktop. Make sure you click on it first to make it large. Next, I'm going to type in lyrics, Ariana Grande lyrics. You can do any kind of lyrics. You can do words, poems, sayings. You can type in your own words. I'm going to do the lyrics. I'm going to highlight the lyrics, but again, you can highlight any words you want or just randomly type them in. And I'm going to Command C to copy. And now I open up Photoshop. I'm going to create new, default, create. I'm going to go to the text tool and make sure it's black and white, and Command V like Victor to paste. Now you can see my text goes off the canvas, so I'm going to just highlight and delete that and just use whatever fits. Next, I'm going to go to the marquee tool, the second one, select the rectangular marquee tool and put it around my words. And again, for example, if you don't want to copy paste, you can type in your lyrics to a song. They might do a speech, or just type in names or words like pretty, nice, funny, descriptive words. You can do anything you want. My words are going to be the lyrics to Ariana's song. So once you put the marquee tool around, the next step is once the marquee tool is around your words, you're going to go to Edit, Define Brush Preset. And there it's going to ask you to name your brush. We're going to call this Ariana. Call it whatever you want. I'm going to shut off the marquee tool and I'm going to hit the delete key and delete the layer so I have a fresh canvas. Now I'm going to drag my picture of Ariana, hit the check mark or return. Now, using your tools, make sure your two boxes are black and white, black upper left, white lower right, and then you're going to go to Filter and you're going to select the Sketch folder and Stamp. And then you can use the tool on the right, the sliding tool, to make it darker or lighter. Again, this is Filter, Filter Gallery, Sketch, Stamp. Once you're happy, you hit OK, and now Ariana is black and white. Next, you're going to take the magic wand, the fourth one down, select somewhere where it's black. I'm going to click on her hair, and then either right-click or control-click, similar, and that will make sure everything on this page that is black will be highlighted. Then you're going to go to your layers, and you're going to look for the eyeball next to the photo and shut it off. This eyeball is like a light switch. You can turn the image on or off by clicking the eyeball. We're going to shut it off, and then what you're going to see are the marching ants, what I selected using the magic wand. You'll be able to see the outline of her. Now, remember the Define Brush preset we did with the words? So here's where you're going to make those words appear. In the tools, lower left, make sure that you choose whatever the top left square color is the color your stamp is going to be. I'm choosing a hot pink, and you can choose whatever color you want. And now that my color is selected, I select the brush, and then I go up to the top and I scroll all the way down, and the last brush there is the Ariana brush. So whatever you named with your marquee tool will appear there. Then I simply put it over my photo and I click. And every time I click, it's going to paste wherever the black was. You can see not the white, it's only going to go where the black is. You can change the size of your wording. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the color. You can do more than one color, however you want to do it. Now remember, we shut the eyeball off of the original photo. If you turn the eyeball on by clicking on the eyeball next to the original photo, it will turn back on and the black will appear, and the black will show up underneath the pink, which is a cool look if you want, and if you don't want, you can leave it off. Now, if you want to change it up a little bit, in the layers tools, there's a little circle that's half filled, kind of like a half moon. If you click on that circle and select gradient, you can choose all these different gradients. There's lots of effects there under that little circle, so feel free to just play around with it and do whatever you like. That's it.